Hi everyone, so today I have this new card kit from Diamond Press to share with you. It is now currently available on HSN. It's the Sweet Wishes card kit, and it is a 2-size card kit. I believe they have one other card kit they just recently released that is a mini slimline, so I'll have that video for you guys shortly, but I'd just like to show you from the packaging how they're packaged so nicely with like little protective corners here and pieces like that so that your box is nice and perfect. I'm going to take the plastic off of this and I'll be right back. Diamond Press did send this item free of charge for my review, and of course all opinions are my own, and any links in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. How cute are these colors? The stripes, I love it. Oh, this is just adorable. Love the little like confetti and stars and things on top, and they are sealed up pretty well, so I do have I believe 4 little stickers here all around. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove the last 2 and I'll be right back. There's 2 on either side and 1 in this front area. So there we go. And let's open this up. Oh, life is sweet. Very cute. Again, super sturdy box. I'm going to put that right there and hopefully the lighting will stay okay. Okay. And Sweet Wishes. So we have 24 A2 cards, 8 designs, 3 of each, 102 pearls, 30 yards of baker twine, which are just the prettiest colors. Oh my gosh, I love this, like coral pinky, peachy, minty kind of colors. 24 envelopes, 30 gold brads, 27 paper flowers, 3 colors of 9 of each. And then the shaker stickers, which are really sweet. So we have Hey Sugar, Oh Happy Day, Wish Big, and For a Sweet Friend. We also have 12 paper backgrounds. That is really great. So it's just pieces that you can die cut or just layer up, and that's really awesome. 98 die cut. Oh, sorry, 6 designs, 2 of each. 98 die cuts. Look at the little sweet treats. That is adorable. Love the donuts, the macaron. Oh my gosh. Storage box and 30 30 gold foil die cuts. Sweet Wishes, Hello Sugar, For You, Celebrate, 10 designs, 3 of each, and then just some inspo there, how you might want to kind of layer them up there on your cards. So I'll just bring things out as the way they are here. So again, these paper backgrounds, this is really great because obviously it coordinates back, and then you can die cut and it's perfectly matching. So we have some solids and some patterns. How cute are those? Love this one. And then the card bases. Those are the envelopes, again, in those beautiful tones. Loving the colorway of this one. Let's see here. People ask sometimes what I mean by colorway. It's just the colors they use, like the palette, like the colors that are being used in the collection. So that's all that means. Look at this one. It's like a little like loopy scribble kind of thing. And then this minty kind of plaid. More of a teal, I don't know, teal minty turquoise color. The pink with a darker pink stripe, diagonal stripe. The green background with like the little minty dots. I love that. That stripe. I love the colors in this, so that just makes it so much better. And then that little kind of peachy color with the sprinkles and the stars and things. And then just like the outside, how cute is that? Loving the colors. And then this one, again, more like a little doodle kind of print with all the beautiful colors. Let's put those guys back there. And then over here we have, oh cool, it says paper flowers. I wasn't sure what kind, but I think they're mulberry, which is really great. And I'll just pop these guys out because why not? A lot of times what I end up doing is taking everything out, like these guys are the plastic, and I just kind of put them in the box so I can kind of poke through. But yeah, they're mulberry. I don't know if you can see how it just has a different look, or at least they have like a recycled paper kind of look, Look at the colors, how cute. And just so pretty in all the different colors. Oh my gosh, how cute. And then these are the pearls. Aw, and they're like from larger to like a medium size, I would say. Beautiful colors. And let me put these to the side. We have the brads. Oh, these brads are heavy. There's 30 of them, I believe, right? Yeah, for 30 brads, that's has some weight. They feel really nice. And then we have, as far as the cardstock here, really nice heavyweight cardstock. And if you're familiar with Diamond Press's kits, their card bases on their cards are really sturdy. So I don't know the actual weight, but I'm guessing they're close to like 300 GSM because they're really thick. Celebrate. Smile. Hello. I'm sorry, hello's getting stuck with yay over here. Love these. So again, just adding something cute and then popping that on top. Life is sweet. The big thanks. Sweet wishes. How cute are these? Enjoy. Those are lovely. And then all these fun die cut pieces here. So again, I'll just kind of pop them in here so I can, lollipops and cakes on a pedestal, and like the little cherries, tons of little cherries and strawberries, so just like lots of accent pieces. Big ice cream cone, another cake with a different type of pedestal, the donuts, the macaron, the tiered cupcakes. That's so cute. Oh, the sundaes. I mean, there's just lots to go. And then the flowers for accenting. How cute are these? I love these. I mean, just tons of them, right? So cake slice, individual cupcakes. Really, really cute. And then we have over here those, oh, and the swine. Those large stickers. Again, these are like shaker stickers. Look at that. Oh, happy day. Wish big. Sorry if my lighting's getting crazy. Hey, sugar for a sweet friend. I'll give you a quick measurement on those. Just like the sentiments, they're really nice and large. I mean, this guy is 4 1/4 almost across by like 3 inches. This one's a little bit smaller. And let's just say like this one's like 3 inches tall, maybe 2 3/4 inches wide. So it gives you some idea of the size of those. And the beautiful, just really candy and sweet twine. I love this color. So the lighter pink, the yellow, the darker green, kind of like a mauve-y kind of pink, the minty, yeah, minty kind of color, and then a darker kind of fuchsia pink. How cute are those? So let me put some of these things to the side. I'll grab a card base and we'll get started. And I chose a topper piece. Now, you know, I can die cut this, make it a little fancier, or just leave it just like that. I thought, you know, what we can do is maybe just corner around some of this little guy. So let me see. There's that. Just gonna take a chomper kind of thing. Yeah, sure, why not? Do a little something different, just a little something. And then I want to use one of the shaker stickers, so we have that. And you know, I'll just go ahead and glue that down because that's literally going to be our base, and I'll go with that. And then I'll bring out one of the shaker stickers and see what I would like to pair with it as far as the ephemera pieces. Super cute, super sweet. I keep saying super sweet, of course. I guess pun intended. Oh, happy day, that's so cute. Or wish big. How about we had wish big? And look how it just coordinates. Obviously, it's a kit, but it's just so pretty. Wish big. Okay, we have a little cake. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of go through our different pieces here. Maybe I had that. I like the way this guy looks with it. And see what else I might want to pop in here and there. We have like little flowers, you know. So actually what I'm going to do is trim this down. Not trim it down, but cut this carrier so I have a really good idea of what this kind of looks like as I'm kind of playing with the pieces, okay? So I'll come back after picking a few certain things and we'll put it together. Okay, guys, I'm going to do something sweet just like this. So let me close up just a little bit. Cute. Okay, so I'll keep that there just to keep an eye on that. We'll put some glue on the back of this guy. We'll slide that right back in there. Something like that. And just kind of straight. Cute. I'll pop this in here. And something like that. Maybe just covering that just a little bit. And then I'm going to pop this one back here, and then I'll stick down our sticker. So I just kind of played around for a little bit. And I really wanted some flowers in the background, so I popped them in where I could still see them real well. And there's that. And now we can kind of place this guy. And that is one card Done, looking really sweet. Loving this colorway, and I'm gonna keep saying that. I really do. These are just, how cute is that? Love it. I love the textures and everything that's going on with it. So let me grab another card base and we'll create another one. I just grabbed the card base and I have this thanks, and I think we'll build around that. So again, I mean, this can go down here, I mean, be right in the center, whatever that you like. So let me find some ephemera that I can just kind of pop in here and have some fun with here. So, you know, maybe a little cupcake, maybe some little sweeties, you know, who knows. But I'll just play around a little bit and see what I end up choosing. I do like this off to the right like this. Just feels right. So again, I'll just kind of play around, see what I can pop in here, and I'll be right back. This is so easy to work with. I mean, everything I even showed you, I was going to use that spray possibly, and it worked. So I'm like, yep, we'll do it. I do like I said, that over to the side, but then I thought, well, maybe people might think like, why is that over there when everything else is over here? So I'll just put it in the center. So for now, what I'm going to do is just put some glue back here, just to help me out a little bit. And I can move this one and maybe back behind this guy. And then we'll go from there. This guy, I really like the way everything worked. So I'll check that out right quick before I really stick them down, just to make sure we're still kind of in the same spots. And then we had thanks like right here. Yep, looking good. Maybe move this a little bit more this way. And a little further down. Cute. I'm going to put some dimensional adhesive on the back of the thanks, and I'll be right back. You know, I just focused on the ephemera and some of the sentiments, the stickers. I mean, we still have twine, and I will show you the little flowers if you want to put them together. Oh, this guy. I kind of like to eyeball before I really stick things down, and my dimensional's like, let's go. How cute is that? Just a quick little card. Again, we can do some little pearls here if you want to step it up a little bit more. I did want to show you these guys. So, just make sure you have, they're not all stuck together like you saw. I thought that was 2, and that was actually 3. So I'm just going to take those apart. And then generally with these guys, I would take like my brad and just, again, these brads are really nice. Cute. And I love how rounded they are. I don't know if you can see the very top. It's not just like flat. It's really, really cute. So we just take one, and then the other, they do have a little hole in the center, and put the other guy on here, and, you know, just kind of turn it so that you get more scallop instead of just being one right on top of the other. Hopefully you can kind of see that they're like offset. And I mean, if you want to do another set, however puffy you want your little flowers. And then you have this cute little flower, and of course you can mess with if you want it more dimensional. And then, you know, you can pop that wherever it is. Obviously on this card I already kind of filled it up with flowers, but maybe, you know, you want to place it somewhere else. Super cute. Oh my gosh, you know, maybe instead of that guy, or even on top of that guy, so you have the leaves, but then you have the little blue flower on top. Super cute. So thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much, Die Press, for sending these items for review. 2 cards made like super quick. All kinds of things you can still play around with. I mean, this barely scratches the surface. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll have images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box, and I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.